If you want to run Tinkercad in 2026, the great news is that you do not need to download or install anything at all. Tinkercad runs right in your web browser, which makes it one of the easiest tools to start using for 3D design, circuits, and code blocks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open Tinkercad, sign in, and get into the right workspace so you can start creating right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, let's make sure your device is ready. Tinkercad works best on updated browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. So before you begin, check that your browser is running the latest version. This helps avoid loading issues and gives you a smoother experience while working inside the editor. Because Tinkercad is cloud-based, you also want a steady internet connection. That means it works on most modern computers and tablets without needing powerful hardware, but a basic graphics card that supports WebGL is important for 3D rendering. Now let's open Tinkercad. In your browser, go to www.tinkercad.com. Once the website loads, look for the Login button. Click it, and you'll see a few sign-in options. You can use your Google account, your Apple ID, or an Autodesk email account. Choose the method that matches the account you want to use, then complete the sign-in process. After you log in, Tinkercad will take you to your personal dashboard. This is your home base where you can manage your designs and access different tools. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Create button. This is the main button you'll use whenever you want to start something new. Once you click Create, Tinkercad will ask you what kind of project you want to begin. This is where you choose the mode that matches your goal. If you want to build objects, prototypes, or basic 3D models, select 3D Design. If you want to work with electronics, learn Arduino, or simulate circuits, choose Circuits. And if you want to create more math-based or code-driven 3D models, select Codeblocks. For most beginners, 3D design is the best place to start. That's where you'll drag and drop shapes, resize models, and build simple or advanced projects right inside your browser. If you're more interested in electronics, Circuits is a great second option. And if you want to explore coding concepts in a visual way, Codeblocks gives you a different style of building that is really powerful for creative projects. At this point, you're fully inside Tinkercad and ready to go. That's really all it takes to run Tinkercad in 2026. Open the website, sign in, click Create, and choose the workspace you need. No download, no installation, and no complicated setup. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to create your first design in Tinkercad, how to use circuits, or how to export your project once you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.